To the Magarabas, Limpopians scattered in other provinces, especially Gauteng, Aker. While traveling back home to Limpopo today and other days, of course, you don't have to stop, go to garage and take photos next to the toilets at Lebatong. There's other places along the way, beautiful places where you can eat nice food and take Instagram attractive and gorgeous photos. It's a pity that I couldn't stay for lunch. It was a normal work day for me, but we'll definitely go back to taste the food. So this is not a paid promotion, Nakir. We stumbled across this beautiful castle on our way to Koro Creek Nature Reserve, Modimolle. You can just add the location as a stop on your journey. You don't have to really get all the way out of the way as if we are Northwest. And by the way, while you are at it, just pass by Koro Creek Nature Reserve, by Bita Koro Creek Golf Estate, and check it out again. I have a vacant land for sale where you can build your home or build the parents a home. Then you don't have to drive all the way to Limpopo. You can just drive an hour and a half from Johannesburg or Pretoria. Anyway, on a serious note, drive safe. Those who are going home today or any other day, don't drink and drive. Wear your seatbelt, adhere to the rules of the road, and always remember to respect other road users. And Bona, if you bought your license, please go back to that learner's license book. I guess it's a K50 what. And just remind yourself how you do not overtake on a solid line, and also remind yourself how to use your indicators. Because some of you are probably allergic to indicators or you have no idea how to use them. Anyway, I will